As a forester, we talk to the landowner about their objectives with the property. Here, this forest that we're in today has been managed 3 times. The first harvest for us was over 25 years ago. And you can see this by the regeneration that's coming in here. Okay, this is hard maple regeneration. So our first entry was to come in here and do what we call more of a tending, taking out some of the UGs, the undesirable growing stock. And then we took out some of the over-mature stuff as well. And then the second entry coming in here was another thinning, just to space it out a little bit more, to get that sunlight to come down to the forest floor so that the smaller regeneration trees still have room to grow, the canopy still open above it. And the last time we were in here, we actually removed most of the ash that was of size, and that was probably about 11 years ago. So this is a forest that's been managed over 25 years plus in hopes to get the right regeneration established and the areas that promote good quality saw timber for future generations to come.